And we on to another video. Yeah. Yeah. Where's my coffee? Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hi, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, well girl, thank you for coming back. Alright, so I got to show y'all something. Alright, so I think I got this a couple of days ago, like 2 or 3 days ago, and I'm just now doing this. I am so sorry y'all, okay? But anyways, yes, Juno Co sent me something and I have to share it with y'all, okay? So let's get started. Y'all ready for this? Because, you know, I wasn't quite ready, but this thing is cute, okay? So they sent me their first ever, the Glam can, okay? So this is a cute, hollow, graphic looking makeup bag. It looks super duper cute. It says the Glam can right on front. It says for instant gorgeousness. It has Juno Co at the bottom. Super cute can. It even has the little pull tab right here. And it's protected with plastic. Let's see. We're going to go ahead and take this off because we don't need any protection here. That's just going to keep me out the can. So there we go. It has a cute little pull tab here. It's so duper cute. The detail on this bag is super gorgeous. And on the back of the can, it says their motto right here: no BS or latex added, just pure glamour. That's super cute, and it says hashtag Juno Babe on the back, and it has these two cute little zippers on the back. Now right here on this side, it tells you what's inside, but we ain't gonna read that part. But at the bottom right here, it says directions. Get ready for your close-up. Oh yeah, okay, so we're gonna jump right into this bag and I'm gonna show you what's in this bag. Let's see what's in this bag. So as I open the bag, super excited. Ooh, by the way, the only thing I did so far was take it out of the box it came out of. I haven't done anything else. So we're gonna open it. Ah! Okay, what's this? So this is what, my bad y'all. This is what you see at first. So on this little card it says, flawless for the holidays, Juno Co. Wishing you a sweet and stunning season filled with glee and gifts galore. With love, Juno Co. team. This is a very cute little hollow card they sent. And this is the bag. Ooh, y'all see that? That is pretty. Okay, done with the card. I am keeping this card. It's pretty. Alright, so look what's inside. Ooh, alright, okay. So, I'm about to dig in. If you guys have never seen any of my Juno Co reviews, I will start throwing some links up above in the iCards. There's quite a few of them, and you'll find out how I feel about their stuff, okay? Alright. First thing I am pulling out of this Glam can is, y'all, it's raining outside, so don't even mind the noise, okay? Don't mind the noise, okay? Alright. Is this Juno Co microfiber fusion, there we go, fusion sponge. What is going on with me? I had too much caffeine. That's probably what it is. But anyways, this is the sponge. I have used this sponge so much. This is one of their very first sponges, their fusion sponge when they first started. I am opening the bag, taking it out for y'all. So you get one of these sponges. This is their fusion sponge, and I love this thing. Love it. So this is what it looks like. It has a round booty down here that is good for dabbing on your makeup and your foundation. It has a very nice straight edge here, which is good to clean up and pack on powder right underneath your eye. It's also good to clean up your contour area. Now then it has this little flat side right here. Now I use mine to chisel out my nose. That's what I use this for, and I love this baby a lot. The next item in here is their microfiber velvet sponge. and it's this one. This is more shaped like a raindrop, I want to say. Is that what I want to say? I think that's what I want to say. And this is the sponge. It looks just like this. So this time, this is more like a triangle type shape. Except for the booty is flat, so it's even better to actually pack on your makeup and your foundation and your concealer. Girl, you can use this for a whole lot of stuff, okay? Even eyeshadow, okay? Eyeshadow. And then on this side is flat, so we can really get into the corners of your, when you're using your concealer, you can really get in there and, you know, conceal your under eyes. You can get down your nose. You can clean up underneath your brows. You can even use this tip, okay, the little tip of this right here to do your eyebrows and your eyeliner. Little tip right there. The next item that comes in the bag is, sorry, it was in plastic, which is a good thing, is the Juno Co Clean Up Your Act Solid Cleanser. Okay, so this is the cleanser that you would use to clean your sponges, or if you have their makeup brushes or any other brushes or any other sponges that you may have that may not be from them, okay? I'm just saying. They just came out with this cleanser, and I will leave my review for this cleanser right up above in the iCards as well. So I'm actually kind of happy I got another cleanser. Why? Because my other cleanser was almost gone, okay, y'all? It's almost gone. So now I got an extra one and I'm super happy. But I love this cleanser. It smells like Dove soap. At least to me it does. So when you get the bar, even if you buy it separately, it comes pre-packaged, so it's in plastic, so it's sealed, and you just take the plastic off. But you can still smell it. And to me it smells like Dove soap. It smells so good. The next item that comes in your Glam can, taking off the plastic, is this very, very cute rose gold, like copper sponge holder, okay? So this is a very, very cute sponge holder, especially if you had just finished using your sponge and you have like a white desk or vanity area and you don't want it to get dirty, or you don't want to get extra bacteria on this by setting it down. This is really good for that, okay? All right, very good. See, like right now I have got me, well, it's, you know, you just used it, okay? So even if your sponge is wet, it will sit in here just nicely. Mine's dirty. That's a different story. Everything all together, you get this makeup sponge holder. You get the cleansing solid right here. And you get the microfiber sponge and the fusion sponge. I got that backwards. But you guys got it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Their microfiber fusion sponge and their microfiber velvet sponge right here. So you got two of these that comes in there. And don't forget, you have also gotten the bag right here, okay? You got the bag. So that's 5 items, and the retail value of all this is, hold on, I don't want to get it wrong, hold on. Alright, y'all. So the retail value of this entire little, you know, Glam can is valued at $28. And they just launched it, what, Friday? A few days ago? Today's Wednesday. Okay, this is Wednesday night, y'all. So what was that? What, 3, 4, 5, 6 days ago they launched this? Currently, right now, they are sold out. I am so sorry. And we're selling these for $22. So currently, right now, they're sold out. But if you go to the Juno Co website, you can sign up for their email list, and they'll email you when the Glam can becomes available if you are interested. And if you are interested, don't forget I do have a discount link. All you gotta do is go ahead and click the link down below in the description box. It is not an affiliate link, it's just a discount code that they gave me to give to you guys if you guys choose to use it, and you guys do save a little bit of coins on your purchase, okay? But what I wanted to let you know, because I know that's what y'all clicked on here for. Yes, this is a giveaway. So Juno Co have allowed me to do a giveaway for you guys. So one lucky person, I'm sorry, it won't be two this time, I'm so sorry, but one of you will win your very own Glam can with all the items I've showed you in this can. All of it. Makeup can and everything with a little pull tab and everything. Okay, you gonna get this. All you have to do, number one, you have to make sure that you're a subscriber to my channel. Okay? Alright? Alright. Okay, because if you're not a subscriber, I'm gonna let you know now, you're not gonna have a chance. Okay? Number two, you must go and follow Juno Co on Instagram. I will leave their link right here. I will also, hopefully Chanel, do not forget, I will leave the link to their Instagram account right down below in the description box. But if I don't, this is where you can find them, right here, Juno Co. Or that Juno Co. I think it's the Juno Co. But I'll leave their exact name right here. And you need to make sure you go and follow them on their IG account. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love sharing this stuff with you. I am super ecstatic. I am ready to go play with my Glam can. Super excited. Oh, I forgot to tell you that this one's mine. They're going to send you one. Just not this one. This one's mine. But if you win the giveaway, Juno Co is directly sending you, okay? Directly sending you, whoever the winner is. They'll be sending you your personal Glam can as well. Alright, y'all. So, now that I have talked your head off enough and my coffee getting cold, it's time for me to head out. Yeah! Alright, so I'm about to get off this piece. Yeah, y'all see what coffee does to me. That's alright. Anyways, I'm about to get off this piece and I'm going to go edit this video and have it ready for you guys on Thursday morning. Yes! So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're interested in a giveaway, please go ahead and comment down below, giveaway! Oh yeah! Okay. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and always remember to embrace your beauty, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye!